MHS One of the weather. I'm student meteorologist Tyler Simpson. Taking a look outside, we have a temperature of 27, dew point at 26, barometer at 30.19 inches, and it's on the rise this morning. Taking a look at the temperatures across the nation, Boston, we are at 35. DC's at 42. The warm spot this morning is the Florida coast right around 70. The cold spot is Denver. They are at 15 right now, and you really notice how there's a storm. And you can almost see, especially when I show you the surface analysis, you can see how this storm system is wrapping around cold air as it wrapping around cold air behind it, and that's why Denver and the Rocky Mountains are so cold this morning, is because of that low pressure system wrapping that cold air around. Taking a look at the temperatures closer to Boston, mid-30s out towards the Cape and the Islands, mid-30s also in the Boston metro area, and then 30s out towards the Berkshires and Western Mass. Taking a look at the current radar, you'll notice that storm that I was talking about. This is a really wide area of precipitation, and it's a very impressive storm. And taking a look at the radar closer in our area, just a few snow showers out towards the south coast, but really not too heavy, and I'm not even sure if they're even touching the ground at this point. That's how light they are. Taking a look at the current surface analysis, as I showed you before, that storm out towards the Midwest, that's going to be making its way on east, and it's going to be affecting our area tomorrow. Unfortunately, it's going to be all rain, not even a chance of any snow with this one. And I want to show you this because this is a very, very impressive storm. Actually, last night at one point in Kansas, there were blizzard warnings in this part of the state, and there was a tornado watch in this part of the state. So there's speculation there may have been some thunder snow, which is a pretty rare occurrence, but a pretty exciting occurrence when it does happen. Taking a look at the surface analysis closer in our area, a few rain snow showers affecting Michigan ahead of that storm that's going to be affecting us tomorrow. A few clouds out towards the South Shore and the Cape and the Islands, but it's clear as we head towards the Millis area. There are also a few clouds out towards the Massachusetts and New York border. Taking a look at the projected temperatures for today, we are right around 40 in Boston, right around 47 in New York City, the warm spot, the Florida coast. They are right around 80 for today. The cool spot is the border. They are going to be in the single digits and teens for today. Taking a look at the projected temperatures for tomorrow, 50 in Boston. That storm is going to bring in some warm ocean air, so that's why Boston's going to be at 50 for tomorrow. 54 out towards New York City, and right around 60 in DC. The warm spot is going to be the Florida coast, right around 70. Cold spot, once again, that border, but they're going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow than they were today. And looking ahead, next storm arrives Friday, all rain for Friday during the day. Now, some flurries and showers may be left over from the storm on Saturday. Now, I'm not really too worried about accumulations with the snow showers on Saturday. Maybe a dusting to a coating is possible. I want to reiterate that word, possible. Still kind of back and forth on whether it'll bring any snow accumulations. That's how light these showers and flurries are going to be. And then cold air behind the storm. And for Christmas, I'm making a little bit of a moderation to this storm, to this forecast for Christmas. It's going to be cold and dry with some flurries. And I'm watching a storm that could possibly affect us Christmas Day, late Christmas Day. This storm right now, even if it does come to fruition, which I'm not expecting it to, it will be a very light storm with a heavier storm later in the week, possibly Thursday or Friday. But still, with that storm, that's over a week away, so I'm not going to jump the gun and make any. I'm still putting it out as a very low chance of that happening. But we'll have to watch that Christmas storm on whether it is able to sneak up the coast. But if it does, it will be all snow on Christmas, but it's very light, so I'm still, I need later future model runs to confirm that. Thanks for joining us. I'm student meteorologist Tyler Simpson. Remember, you can always find the latest weather information by going to my Facebook page, Tyler Simpson-MHS 103 Weather.